Before we proceed to our next topic, let's review first paano nga ba mag-divide ng polynomials using synthetic division. So for example, we have f of x is equal to x squared minus 4. Divide by x minus 2. So, paano natin gagawin yan using synthetic division? So, eto yung mga steps na gagawin natin. First, arrange natin yung terms in descending orders of degree. Ibig sabihin, yung mga exponent niya dapat naka-descending order. So, in this case, we have x squared, so 2. And ito naman, x raised to 0 to, di ba? So, 0 tapos 2, so naka-descending order siya. So we have f of x equals x squared minus 4. Second, we have to check if there are missing terms. At kung merong missing na term, i-fill in natin. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Kung nagsimula tayo kay squared, dapat kompleto hanggang x raised to 0. So in this case, nawawala yung ating x raised to 1. Okay? So i-fill in natin siya by plus 0 times x raised to 1 minus 4. Ito yung x raised to 0 natin. So, kumpleto na tayo. Merong x squared, x raised to 1, and x raised to 0. Number 3, we copy the coefficients in order. So, kung ano yung naunang coefficient, yun din dapat yung mauuna. So, ano ba yung first na coefficient dito? We have 1. Dito, we have 0. And dito, we have negative 4. Then, solve for x and use it as a divisor. Dito naman tayo titingin. We have to solve for x and use that to be our divisor. So, we have x minus 2 is equal to 0, or that is now x is equal to 2. Meaning, 2 is our divisor. And finally, divide using synthetic division. Merong plus times dito kasi ito yung order ng operations na gagawin natin. Okay? So, for example, we have 1, 0, negative 4. Ang divisor natin dito ay si 2. So, plus muna pababa, 1 plus 0, that is 1. Then, multiply natin 2 times 1, that is 2. Lagay natin dito. Then, plus ulit. 0 plus 2, that's 2. 2 times 2, that is 4. And this is now 0. Ano ngayon ang ibig sabihin nitong nandito sa baba? Okay? Kapag yung dividend mo is x squared, magma-minus ka ng 1. So, pag x squared siya, ang susunod doon is x. Yun yung nandito mo. X raised to 1, at ito naman yung x raised to 0. So, 1 times x raised to 1, that is now x. And 2 times x raised to 0, this is 1, di ba? So, that is plus 2. Yun ang ibig sabihin nung nasa baba. Let's divide f of x equals 2x cubed minus 11x squared plus 9x minus 20 by x minus 5. So, first na titignan, naka-descending order ba siya? Yes, kasi 3, 2, 1, 0. Meron bang missing na term? Kung meron, i-fill in. So, 3, 2, 1, 0, complete naman siya. Then next, copy the coefficients. So, we have 2, negative 11, 9, and negative 20. So, 2, negative 11, 9, and negative 20. Then, solve for x dito. X minus 5 equals 0. So, x equals 5. And that will be our divisor. So, divided by, okay, again, ang operation natin is plus and times. So, 2 plus 0, that is 2. 5 times 2, that is 10. So, we have negative 11 plus 10 is negative 1. Negative 1 times 5, that is negative 5. 9 times negative 5, that is 4. And 5 times 4, that is 20. So, 0. Yung last term dito, that is the remainder. So, ang remainder natin dito ay 0. So, ano ulit ang ibig sabihin nito? Cube tayo doon. Therefore, magbawas ng isa. X squared. Ito naman ay x raised to 1 at ito ang x raised to 0. At alam natin x raised to 0 is just equal to 1. So, 2 times x squared, that is 2x squared. Negative 1 times x raised to 1, that is negative x. 4 times 1, that is positive 4. Therefore, this is now the quotient. 2x squared minus x plus 4. Example number 2. F of x is equal to x cubed minus 8. Divide by x minus 2. So, first na i-check, descending order ba siya? 3, 0. Okay, descending. Meron bang nawawalang mga terms? Yes. Nawawala yung x squared at nawawala yung x raised to 1. So, we first have to fill in x cubed plus 0x squared plus 0 times x raised to 1 minus 8. Then, number 3, copy the coefficients. 1, 0, 0, negative 8. Then, divide by, okay, anong pag-divide natin? X minus 2 equals 0, so x is equal to 2. So, ang operations natin, plus n times lang. 1 plus 0, that is 1. 1 times 2, 2. 0 plus 2, 2. 2 times 2, 4. 0 plus 4, 4. 2 times 4, that is 8. 0. So, our remainder is 0. So, ano ulit ang ibig sabihin nito? Since cube yung nasa ating f of x, magbawas ng isa. Or that is 1. So, we have 1 times x squared is just x squared. Plus 2 times x raised to 1 is 2x. Plus 4 times 1 is 4. So, this is now our quotient. Example number 3. Let's divide f of x equals x cubed minus 2x plus 1 by x minus 1. So again, tignan natin kung descending order ba siya. 3, 1, 0. Descending. Meron bang nawawala? Yes, yung x squared. So we have to fill in x cubed plus 0x squared minus 2x plus 1. Then copy the coefficients. 1, 0, negative 2, 1. What is now our divisor? We have x minus 1 equals 0. So, x is equal to positive 1. Then, plus times. Okay, 1 plus 0, that is 1. 1 times 1, that is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 times 1, that is again 1. Negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. So, our remainder is 0. Since cube yun, x squared, x raised to 1, x raised to 0. So, we have 1 times x squared, we have x squared. 1 times x, so that is just x. Negative 1 times 1, that is just negative 1. So, we have x squared plus x minus 1. And finally, let's divide x raised to 5 plus 5x squared plus x plus 2 by x plus 1. So, descending ba siya? Yes. May nawawala ba? Yes. Wala yung x raised to 4 at wala yung x raised to 3. So, by filling in, we have f of x now equals x raised to 5 plus 0x raised to 4 plus 0x raised to 3 plus 5x squared plus x plus 2. Then, copy the coefficients. We have 1, 0, 0, 5, 1, 2. What is our divisor? X plus 1 equals 0 or x equals negative 1. Okay, so we now have 1 plus 0, 1. 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. 0 plus negative 1 is negative 1. Negative 1 times negative 1 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. 5 plus negative 1 is 4. 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. Then we have negative 3. Then we have 3. So we have remainder na 5. Okay, so how will we write now the remainder? Okay, unahin muna natin itong mga to. Ano ba itong mga to? We have x raised to 5, so dapat x raised to 4 siya. Okay, magbawas lang tayo ng isa. Okay, so we have 1 times x raised to 4 is x raised to 4. Negative 1 times x cubed is negative x cubed. 1 times x squared is positive x squared. 4 times x is 4x. Negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. Plus, yung remainder na 5 divided by kung ano yung divisor nyo dito. X plus 1. So, that is now our final quotient.